We are here to discuss today about a business segment known as FIDOXer. FIDOXer stands for E-Property Documentation Services. Real estate investment is one of the most important investments for a family. Buying a property is not only buying a dream, but it is an investment for a lifetime. The most important element in property transaction is to have proper documents. Recently, Nielsen conducted a market survey for us on the pain points or the difficulties faced in procuring the real estate documents. One has to make many trips to the concerned department when he has to get documents related to his property. One has to bribe the people there in the concerned departments. It is also very difficult to get the right person who is going to give us the document. Also, we find the people in the concerned departments are not cooperative. The rates for the documents have not been standardized. Also, it is very time consuming and we are not confirmed that the documents are true. Sometimes the documents are being forged also. The need and aim of FIDOXer is to ease the process of recording documents. The very purpose of this document services is to streamline the existing loopholes, and also we will help people to procure documents during pre-registration, registration as well as post-registration. With this FIDOXer, we aim at providing unavailable, convenient, transparent services so that the documents can be procured easily across time, geographical boundaries. There should not be any difficulty in this segment. While being primarily online, this will have also offline segments wherever the services demands. FIDOXer will archive the digital data which can be accessed any point of time by a click of a button. This is going to help further in analytics. The big data which will be available through FIDOXer is going to help in different ways. It may help analytics department to streamline the business segments. It will help to deal with testings like soil testing, water testing. It may also help to explain the master planning. It also helps decision making for buying a property. With the data available through FIDOXer, we can help conversion process, development process, approval process. This FIDOXer will be able to cater the important reports on location as well as predictive reporting. The FIDOXer module will be based on the costing. It is not freely available. This will help clients to have documents on time with less cost and also at their convenience. FIDOXer will be cost-based module and this will cater the services that will help people to on time, cost and convenience basis. To talk about the naming FIDOXer, this is a combination of three words: FIDO, document and services. FIDO was an Italian street dog who was very faithful to his master. He waited for his deceased master for 14 years. Every day he used to see him off to the bus stop, and in the evening he used to receive him. This continued for 2 years, but after 2 years, during World War II, his master got killed. For the next 12 years, the dog continued his faithfulness by visiting the stop. Still, there is a statue in Italy, and that is how Fido is remembered. Our key value propositions are to provide proper document on time. We need to shift realty property document activity into a premium quality services. Real estate management as a whole lifetime activity. Asset management as whole life systems. Lower price for services. Comparative and predictive reporting using maps and cartography. Our important potential users are individuals, they may be rural or urban, corporate, banks, insurance companies, mortgage companies, developers, even law firms.